Hello, I'm I'm back to doing videos again. I think this is going to be an experiment because I want to show you how to do something I've never done before. Okay, I like these magnetic closures, don't you? Don't you? They're here. They're I like them on the sling pouch bag. They you have to put one side inside here, and I would put the bigger, heavier side on this side. Okay, so how are we going to do that? That side goes up. I'm going to bring it up to the and show you which side goes up, which side goes down. You probably know better than I do. Check this out. There's this is a heavier one. I'm going to put that one on the inside, and this is the lighter one that's supposed to come close to it. See? Now I'm going to sew them down. I may not do it on the air, but I am going to show you. It's very important that you know where to put them. And I just bought them from Hobby Lobby, but you could get more supplies from a sewing supply. They're not really a sewing supply, but I'd go where I can. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to measure. And do you remember when I put that piece of, this is a piece of just paper, I don't know what you call it, paper tape that my husband had, and I put it across on the back of this. See, I put it on the back of this so you can see it. And it's because it's hard to see if it's all just clear and all the same color. It's hard to see where that line ends and the material starts. So I put this white background masking tape. Masking tape. Okay. I might have to edit that out. Okay. Anyway, I've got the masking tape on there, and that's just so I can measure. I'm going to measure about where, let's see, I want this to come down. You just have to decide where you want it. I want to put the thing right there. That's what I want to do. And so this is where I want it, like right on this line. Get it squared up, measure. Well, let me scoot it over here. So this is almost 8 inches, not quite, obviously. So let's see, I need to find a pen that's not the same color as what I'm working with. I need a pen. I'm sorry. Okay, so I want it to be 4 inches. No, I want it to be 3.5 because this is only, let me get it all the way over here. Okay, that's 6.5. Let's just make it 3, between 3 and the 4, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Now, I'm not going to do this on the air. You're going to do it by yourself, okay? And you can send me a picture. This one, you're just going to lay it right down over the center of your dot. You're going to get your thread, and yes, thread and needle. Ta-da! I don't do thread and needle too well. I will get someone to do this for me, okay? You want to, there's 4 corners, and you want all 4 corners sewed down. Then, once that's down, you can, well, put this approximately where you want it, or, let's see, if I feel through there, I'm trying to figure out the easiest way for me to do it. If it's the easiest way for me, it's got to be easy for you. Okay, I feel the thing there. And what I'm doing here is I'm just marking this spot about where it was. If I can hold my fingers down, I'm sorry. I know what I'm doing, I just can't do it, okay? Then you'll put this one up here, and you'll sew this down, and then, what you'll do is you'll just put a thread through one of these, okay? Through one of these openings. Don't sew it down. And then when you come back and you find this one, see, and then you try to close it on that. Okay, so they're sitting here closed. You can double check your little spot and then sew your pieces on. I tried. I didn't want you to think I wasn't ever going to sew again. I had to take my big sewing machine in for maintenance. So I'm going to be using this sewing machine for a while. And I might even use it after I get my other one back, because I need to get used to that one too. Okay? I love you, and that was my sewing tip for today. Shalom. Keep the commandments and be the bride.